U.S. Department of Interior seal. Office of Natural Resources Revenue Honor. Basic overview of the P&R Production and Royalty Report. Form ONRR-4430, Part 2, Original P&R tab. Speaker, Animated Graphic Character.
This video will focus on the original P&R tab of the Form Honor 4430 Production and Royalty Report, known as the P&R.
The P&R is the form on which Solid Minerals reporters report production, sales, royalties,
Photos of construction vehicles, mineral plant, and a graphic with a dollar sign and oil pump.
and other obligations.
Rent and advance royalty.
The P&R also accommodates recoupments and allows adjustments to previous reports.
For purposes of this video, we assumed that you chose a contract type of mine and a report type of original P&R, other obligation, P&R value adjustment in the P&R selection screen.
After selecting the Create Report button in the P&R selection screen, you will be brought to the Original P&R tab. This tab is where you enter your original production and royalty information.
Select the sales month year for which you need to report from the drop-down list. The sales month year defaults to the month and year for the next report due, based on the last month that you submitted.
You can tell if this is the first time you are submitting a report for the selected sales month year by the note, "This sales month has not been submitted."
Select the sales point product combination for which you are reporting. The summary data reflects all zeros at this point, as nothing has yet been entered.
Column headers include unit produced, units sold, gross proceeds, total allowed cost, and royalty payment.
Click on the Open P&R Report button to open the report. That will bring up this dialog box.
Dialog box says, you are about to create a P&R report for 7/1/2020. Once you have started, you will not be able to submit another one until this one is sent to MSA. Do you want to proceed?
Click on the OK button to continue. This will bring you to the lease level detail page.
The pre-populated data at the top of this page includes the mine name, business unit, sales month year, sales point, and product. Other pre-populated data includes the lease numbers, royalty rates, land class, beginning inventory, and production available for sale for each lease.
Let's look at how you would enter your production information first and then the royalty information later. Verify that your beginning inventory is correct. If you need to adjust your inventory for the current month, use the Inventory Volume Adjustment field.
100 was entered.
This value may be positive or negative.
Enter the units produced volume here.
500 was entered.
Note the change in the volume reflected in the production available for sale field after you enter your units produced volume. The production available for sale volume is calculated by summing the beginning inventory, inventory volume adjustment, and units produced volumes.
If you have a remote storage sales point, enter the volume of units transferred to the sales point in the Units Transferred field here.
Under land class title, 50 was entered.
Enter the unit sold volume here. Note the change in the
400 was entered.
ending inventory volume after you enter your units sold volume. The ending inventory volume is calculated by subtracting the units transferred and units sold volumes from the production available for sale volume.
Units transferred is 50. Units sold is 400. Production available for sale is 800, and the ending inventory number is 350.
Now that you have entered your production information for this month year, let's show you how to enter your royalty data. Enter your total revenue from sales into the gross proceeds field here.
1,000 was entered.
Enter any allowed transportation costs and/or allowed processing costs in the appropriate field here or here.
Once you have entered your information for all your applicable leases, click on the Calculate Royalty Due button. This will calculate both the royalty before allowance and royalty payment amounts based on the royalty rate for each lease.
Notice the comment section below each lease. You may write any comments you want to help explain what you entered for each lease in this box. The main payment page also has a separate comment block for the overall report. Please do not place payment instructions in either comment section.
If you have numerous leases and royalty rate combinations, we recommend that you click on the Calculate Royalty Due button frequently to avoid getting timed out from the Internet application. The P&R application will time out after 10 minutes without a save or calculation action.
Click on the Save Before Submitting button to return to the Mine Level Summary page.
When you are through, enter your original P&R information for all applicable product sales point combinations. Click on the Main Payment tab to go to the Main Payment page.
More detail on the Main Payment tab can be found in a separate video. If you have any questions, contact a Solid Minerals reference data analyst.